Hey everyone, in this video we are going to break down what DSA is and why it's one of the most important things you'll need to master your coding interviews, especially if you're aiming for top tech companies. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple, clear, and beginner friendly. So let's dive in. So let us start by seeing what DSA stands for. So DSA stands for Data Structures and Algorithm. These are the tools and techniques we use to store data and solve problems efficiently using a code. So let us see what data structure stands for. So data structure is nothing but a way to organize your data. Data structures include arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, graphs, and trees. Each one of these has its strengths depending on the task. For example, arrays are a great way for quick access. Stacks help you when you need to reverse something, and trees are ideal for hierarchical data like folders in your computer. On the other hand, algorithm is a step-by-step process to solve a problem, like sorting a list, searching for elements, or finding the shortest path between 2 points. When you combine the right data structure and the right algorithm, you create an efficient and scalable solution. And that's what companies are really looking for. Now let's talk about interviews. Why do companies care so much about DSA? DSA tests how well you think, how you solve a problem, and how deeply you understand programming, beyond just memorizing the syntax. Let's be real. Most real world software doesn't require writing your own sorting function, but if you know how sorting algorithms work, you understand performance, efficiency, and how computers actually process data. Top companies like Google, Amazon, and Meta receive thousands of applications. DSA questions are a way to fairly judge your logic, your creativity, and your ability to break down problems under pressure. It's not about writing 500 algorithms or solving 500 algorithms. It's about thinking like an engineer. Let's take a look at a few examples of what actually comes up in interviews. First are arrays and strings. These are the most common types. You'll be asked to search, reverse, or find patterns in them. Second are hash maps, great for counting elements or quick lookups. Third is linked lists. You'll be asked to detect cycles or reverse them. Fourth is trees and graphs. You might get questions on depth first research, shortest path, or binary trees. Fifth is dynamic programming. These are a bit advanced, but they show you can break problems into subproblems and optimize your solutions. Don't worry, these might sound intimidating. With practice, they become second nature. If you're new to DSA, here's how you get started. First, learn the basics. Basics like arrays, strings, and loops. After you're comfortable, start with linked list, stacks, and queues. Next, you can practice on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Codeforces. Codeforces is a great place to start. Focus on understanding why a solution works, not just memorizing the code. Read discussions, analyze time and space complexity, and keep refining your approach. Set a goal. Maybe one problem a day. That is equal to 30 problems in 1 month. It adds up quickly. To wrap it up, DSA is your foundation. It's not just for passing the interviews, it's for becoming a better problem solver and a more confident developer. If you're preparing for interviews, focus on DSA early on. It gives you a huge advantage. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more coding tips and let me know in the comments what's the one DSA concept you struggle with the most. I'll be replying or maybe even turning it into a video in the future. Thank you.